Do you really think you need a lot of money to start a business? What if we told you that's not entirely true? Yes, you heard it right. We're here to challenge the age-old belief that launching a business requires a hefty bank balance. Throughout this video, we'll explore the concept of starting a business with zero funds, discussing strategies, sharing examples, and debunking myths. So, buckle up as we debunk the myth that you need a fortune to start a business. What if your skills and passions are your biggest investment? When embarking on your entrepreneurial journey, it's crucial to remember that your unique abilities and interests can form the bedrock of your business. They are your raw resources, your secret sauce, your ultimate advantage. Let's take a moment to understand why. When you build a business around what you're already good at and what you love to do, you're not starting from scratch. You're leveraging your existing knowledge and expertise, which is a priceless asset that can't be bought or borrowed. Now consider this. What if you could convert your love for writing into a content creation agency? Or channel your knack for teaching into an online tutoring platform? Or what if your talent for graphic design could translate into a thriving freelancing gig? These are just a few examples of how skills and passions can turn into profitable ventures that require little to no initial capital. The key is to identify these skills and interests. Start by making a list. Write down everything you're good at, everything you enjoy, and then look for the intersections between your abilities and your passions. These intersections are potential gold mines for business ideas, but don't stop there. Once you've identified your skills and passions, start exploring potential markets. Who needs what you have to offer? How can you package and present your skills in a way that provides value to others? This is where your entrepreneurial spirit comes into play. Also, remember that skills can be honed and passions can be nurtured. So invest in yourself. Take courses, read books, practice, and seek feedback. The more you refine your skills and deepen your passions, the more valuable they become. And finally, don't underestimate the power of passion. When you love what you do, it shines through in your work. It fuels your creativity, drives your determination, and helps you overcome obstacles. And in the world of entrepreneurship, passion is infectious. It can attract customers, inspire employees, and draw in investors. Remember, your skills and passions are valuable commodities. They can be the foundation of your business. So, embrace them, nurture them, and put them to work. They could be the ticket to launching your dream business without spending a dime. Did you know there's an abundance of free resources available to budding entrepreneurs? That's right. The digital age has revolutionized the way we do business, providing a wealth of tools and platforms that can be used at no cost. These resources can not only help you start your business, but also manage and grow it without the need for a hefty budget. Let's start with website builders. A strong online presence is crucial in today's digital world, and platforms like WordPress, Wix, or Squarespace offer free, user-friendly options to create a professional website. They come with a variety of templates and design tools that can help you showcase your brand and services effectively. Next, we have social media platforms. Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and LinkedIn, among others, can be powerful marketing tools. They allow you to connect with potential customers, share your story, and promote your products or services. Remember, consistency is key. Regularly posting engaging content can help you build a strong following and boost your brand's visibility. But what about reaching out to your customers? Email marketing is a great way to do it. Services like MailChimp offer free plans that let you send emails to a certain number of subscribers. They also provide templates and tools to create visually appealing emails that can help you keep your audience engaged and informed. And let's not forget about online marketing tools. Google Analytics, for instance, can provide valuable insights into your website's performance and your audience's behavior. SEO tools like Yoast can help optimize your website for search engines, increasing your visibility and attracting more traffic. There are also numerous free learning resources available. Websites like Coursera and Khan Academy offer free courses on a wide range of topics, from business management to digital marketing. These can help you expand your knowledge and skills, making you more equipped to handle the challenges of running a business. In conclusion, leveraging these free resources can significantly reduce your startup costs. They provide a solid foundation for your business and can help you navigate the initial stages without having to dig deep into your pockets. With these free resources, You can start and grow your business without breaking the bank. Embrace the free digital tools at your disposal and let them propel your business to new heights. Can you build a business on relationships alone? You might be surprised to learn how far networking and collaboration can take you when you're starting a business with no money. In the world of entrepreneurship, connections are a form of currency. They can open doors, bring opportunities, and even help you land your first clients. Networking is not just about making acquaintances. It's about building relationships based on mutual respect and shared interests. It's about showing up, being genuine, and offering value even when there's no immediate payoff. So where can you begin networking? Well, the world is your oyster. Industry events, both in person and online, are a great place to start. These events bring together like-minded individuals who share your interests and ambitions. They provide a platform for you to learn, contribute, and connect. Another wonderful resource is online communities. From social media groups to forums and platforms like LinkedIn, there's a wealth of online spaces where entrepreneurs gather to share ideas, experiences, and opportunities. Join these communities, participate in discussions, and reach out to individuals who resonate with you. Now let's talk about collaboration. Collaboration is about pooling resources, skills, and ideas. It's about recognizing that two heads are often better than one. When you're starting with no money, your skills, time, and energy are your primary assets. Look for potential partners who complement your skills and share your vision. A successful collaboration can help you achieve more than you could alone. To illustrate the power of networking and collaboration, let's consider the story of Jane. Jane had a passion for sustainable fashion, but no funds to start her own line. Through networking, she met a graphic designer looking to expand his portfolio. They collaborated, with Jane providing the fashion expertise and the designer creating stunning visuals. Jane's line was launched on a shoestring budget, but with high-quality branding. Today, her business is thriving, proving that with the right connections, you can indeed launch a business with zero funds. The power of networking and collaboration can't be underestimated when you're starting a business with zero funds. So get out there, make connections, collaborate, and watch your business idea come to life. Ever heard of bootstrapping your business? It's an intriguing phrase, isn't it? Bootstrapping is a term borrowed from the old saying, to pull oneself up by one's bootstraps. In the world of entrepreneurship, bootstrapping is all about starting and growing your business with little to no external help or capital. Instead, you rely on your savings and the revenue generated by the business itself. Now you may be thinking, how is this even possible? Well, it's not as daunting as it sounds. Bootstrapping is often about starting small, staying lean, and being resourceful. It's about using what you've got to get where you want to be. You might begin with a minimal viable product or service, generate some initial revenue, and then reinvest those profits back into the business to fuel its growth. Here's an example. Suppose you've started a consulting business based on your expertise in digital marketing. You begin by offering a basic package of services that requires little to no upfront investment on your part. As you gain clients and start generating revenue, you reinvest those profits back into the business. Maybe you upgrade your website, invest in training to expand your skill set, or even hire an assistant to help manage your growing client base. Each reinvestment enables your business to offer more value, attract more clients, and generate more revenue. Bootstrapping isn't just a theory. Many successful businesses have followed this path. Take, for instance, the tech giant Apple. Steve Jobs and Steve Wozniak started Apple in a garage selling a basic computer kit. They used the profits to develop more sophisticated products, and the rest, as they say, is history. In conclusion, bootstrapping and reinvesting are not just strategies for those with limited funds. They are also powerful tools for fostering resourcefulness, resilience, and a keen focus on profitability. So remember, even if you're starting with zero funds, you're not starting with zero potential. You have the power to bootstrap your way to success. Bootstrapping and reinvesting are key strategies for growing your business when you're starting with zero funds. So do you still think you need a lot of money to start a business? Let's recap. Harness your skills and passion, leverage free resources and tools, network and collaborate, bootstrap and reinvest. It's not about the money, it's about the mindset, the resilience, the willingness to learn and adapt. So, don't let the lack of funds deter you. Like, share and subscribe for more entrepreneurial insights. Remember, lack of money shouldn't stop you from pursuing your entrepreneurial dreams. The world needs your ideas, so go ahead and launch your business. Ready to take the first step towards launching your business? Check out the resources and templates in the video description to kickstart your journey. Share your business ideas or success stories in the comments below. Stay tuned for more content on bootstrapping your business. You've got this. We can't wait to hear about your business success stories. Stay tuned for more tips and tricks on starting a business with zero funds. Your support means the world to us. If you found this video helpful, please take a moment to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Not only will this help us continue providing you with valuable content, but it will also help spread the word to others who may benefit from these tips and tricks. Remember, in the world of entrepreneurship, we're all in this together. So don't hesitate to engage with us in our community. Leave a comment, ask a question, or even share your own advice. We're all ears and can't wait to learn from you too. Let's keep the conversation going and support each other in this journey of starting a business with zero funds.